Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable call forwarding on iPhone 16 Pro Max. To set it up, go to Settings, then go to Apps, then find Phone, and then go to Call Forwarding. If your network provider supports it, then you'll be able to enable it. And then click on Forward to and enter the phone number you want to forward calls to. So let me enter mine. Then wait a few seconds. And now when you go back, it should set it to that number. Okay, and now it will forward calls to that number. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.